Alright guys, here's I got two pieces of flashing bent. This is just standard 10-inch flashing. And we're going to get those temporarily put on the front strut, and then we'll tape them down. We'll get this taped down and clamped, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Alright, now we'll pull our clamps off. And we'll turn our airfoil. Turn our airfoil so it's just about perfectly level. I need to do a little trimming on this back side here. But when I'm ready to shoot it with foam, I'll put some more tape and get that whole back trailing edge closed up. And I'll take some hose and hook to my spray foam bottle, and I'll just run this down in here about halfway. Start filling it up. I'll do it foam the inside of a sample piece first to make sure it doesn't distort this airfoil too much. I'll also have these clamps on here like this so it's not able to move. Like that. And the next phase, or the next part, we should have all four made, and then we'll start to shoot the foam in there. I'm also going to have some Extra pieces that go over right here. It's gonna stop right here. And I'm gonna have an extra piece that'll slide up to cover the rest of this up. And then have it so it can slide back so you can check your bolts. And I'll also probably have another piece down here to cover all this up. All right, peace out.